Hey gang, how's it going? Well, made some significant progress on the console. Check out this and see what you think of that. I got my chrome trim down the tops of the sides there, and I think it's going to work just fine. It looks pretty doggone good. Got a little bump right there where it transitioned, but heck, I'm not going to worry too much about that. I should have sanded a little more there. But this is my armrest that I need to cover in black vinyl, and that's going to come up, be hinged up like that. And there's my USB and my cigarette lighter ports in there, so I can hook stuff up to there. I think what I'm going to do is maybe hinge this piece and have it pop back like that somehow, and then come down on this. And I got to finish trimming this out a little bit, but once I get that done, it's significant. We'll be then just the radio up in there. But yeah, that's gonna look good. I'm gonna probably round off the front and back of this a little bit here and get that shaped, and then sew up a vinyl cover for it and take care of that. So yeah, we're pretty happy here with what we got going. Put that back in there, and for now, yeah, so that's, I'm going to have to narrow it up a little bit, give some clearance for the vinyl to go down on either side. It's pretty tight there. What do we got going on there? Yeah, it doesn't look like it's stuck totally on there. There we go. Yeah, I was real happy with the way that chrome trim stuff turned out. Although I was careful to make sure that the top of that chipboard was smooth and dry, and the glue had a good spot to sit to on there. So that worked out. Yeah, this is the stuff I used. Yeah. Right here. See, there we go. Cowles Custom Chrome Adhesive Backs Flexible Automotive Trim. And it's 3/4 inches. And worked well. Okay, folks, I broke out the sewing machine up at the house and sewed together some little pieces of vinyl here to go over the cover. And I think it's going to work. Put that on there. I've got the rest of the vinyl here, and got to get this fastened down in there and just kind of finish trimming this out. Let's see what I can do here. And folks, there you have it. Falls under the category of not done by a professional, but it's going to work. Got the little cubby there, got my charging ports in here, cigarette lighter there if we need it, you know, just, and there actually is a little gap on the back there, right back here, that I could run cords through there and into something else if I needed to. But yeah, it's all nicely finished off, and that, and I'd say that part of it's done. Now, got to do the radio still. But there we go. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and so on. And not sure when I'm going to get to the radio. It's not like it's a requirement, but this part was kind of a eyesore, and I was glad to get it done. Put in the order for my tubular front A arms and coilover shocks, and unfortunately they're back ordered, and we'll probably get them by the end of the month or so. But in the meantime, I'm just going to start driving this thing and see just what transpires. I know she's low. I know I have one exhaust pipe that's hanging down. I still have my heat tape to put in, because the headers are definitely tucked in there pretty tight. Can't even see anything under there. But yeah, so we'll see what we can do. We will be talking to you soon. Take care.